Cow. Camel. Yak. Elephant. Horse. Giraffe. Goat. Rabbit. Turkey gobble. Pigs, often underappreciated for their unique qualities, are remarkably intelligent and social mammals, known for their remarkable adaptability. What truly sets them apart is their multifaceted nature. They are omnivorous creatures with a keen sense of smell, a snout designed for rooting, and a distinctive grunting language for communication. Pigs are also known for their exceptional memory and ability to form complex social bonds within their sounder, highlighting their remarkable emotional intelligence. These qualities make them not just livestock, but intriguing beings deserving of greater recognition.